Hello everyone, my name is Ajay and I will be teaching you how to run your very first program on C++. So as you can see, I have Dev C++ opened here and we have code here. You are writing your very first program. You won't be familiar what all these terms mean. This IOStream or cout, or why we use the semicolon here and why it's not used here or here. We're just doing this now to see whether our Dev C++ is working properly. By the end of this course, you'll be familiar with each and every one of these terms. But for the moment, all you need to do is just type this code into your computer and see if the Dev C++ is working properly. So now, once you enter this code into your compiler, what you need to do is go to execute and select compile and run, or you can press F11 and you can see game on is displayed onto our output screen. Game on. Okay, so if you're seeing this output screen, that means our Dev C++ is working properly and we can finally get started into our course. So I'll see you in the next section. Thank you.